Hello friends, welcome back to another unboxing video. In this special edition, we will be unboxing Motorola's Moto G6. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the box which looks really colorful. On the back, there are few specifications mentioned on top of the box. So let's unbox the device. After opening up the box, we will find the mobile itself on top. Keeping it aside, we will find booklets, SIM adjuster tool, wall jack adapter, which is of 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 1.6 ampere or 12 volt 1.2 ampere. And we have USB to Type-C cable. On my initial impressions, especially this indigo black color variant design looks really good. Just look at the camera dial and the color on the back with Moto logo. It just looks gorgeous. Let's check out the physical overview over the smartphone. On the right, we have power button, volume rocker key. On top, we have SIM card slots with 2 SIM card slots and micro SD card slot. And we have secondary noise cancellation mic. On the left side is totally flat. Coming out to the bottom, we have 3.5mm jack and Type-C port. On the back, we have 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear facing camera with f1.8 aperture. Beneath that, we have dual tone flash, Moto logo. Coming out of the front, we have 8 megapixel front facing camera, ABS, LED flash, 5.7 inch Full HD plus 1080p display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And this is 18:9 aspect ratio. That is the specialty of this 2018. And then we have the fingerprint sensor and primary microphone. It is running on 1.8 GHz Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor with 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage. We are also having 3GB RAM and 32GB inbuilt storage version. It is splash resistant and it has 3000 mAh huge battery. Coming out to the pricing, the 3GB variant is priced at around 14,000 rupees and on the 4GB variant is priced at around 16,000 rupees. It is running on Android 8.0 Oreo. Out of 64GB inbuilt storage, we have around 54GB of free storage. So that's good after the initial boot up. Since the smartphone comes with stock Android, the UI and the interface is really sleek. So let's check out the camera interface and the shutter speed. The shutter speed is really fast. And these were the sample images that I have taken while using the smartphone for the first 2 days. If you want me to do a dedicated camera review or want me to compare the smartphone with any other smartphone, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be testing this device for the next few days. So if you don't want to miss more actions about the smartphone, do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon. Hope to see you in my next video. This is James signing off.